Welcome to Organic Chemistry 2. Organic chemistry is the chemistry of carbon and its compounds. Organic molecules are building blocks of life. In this course, you will learn about advanced organic reactions and the mechanisms that are associated with these reactions. You will learn how to synthesize molecules and apply the concept of retrosynthesis. You will also need to use three-dimensional thinking to predict the product and their stereochemical outcomes. Finally, you will be learning about instrumentation that is commonly used in organic chemistry to characterize these compounds. The format of the course, it is 100% asynchronous and fully online. You will have access to your instructor, and there will be hands-on and virtual labs. The content of the material is divided into 8 modules. There will be several graded assignments. Some of them will be proctored and some of them will not be proctored. There are quizzes, adaptive learning assignments, discussions, written assignments, labs, and the final exam. The instructional materials include the e-textbook by David Klein, the Wiley Plus platform, the Science Interactive lab kits, and journal articles. The hands-on lab come from Science Interactive that are directly shipped by them to your house. The lab kit contains most of the material that you need to do all of the hands-on labs. Some supplies are provided by the student, like pencils, etc. Here's what I recommend for you to stay successful in the course. You must try to stay on schedule. Please don't fall behind. Dedicate at least 15 to 20 hours per module. Get a tutor if you struggle with the material. Don't commit plagiarism or academic dishonesty. Communicate with your instructor if you need special accommodations. And read the syllabus carefully. Good luck!